to translate for us. So can you translate hola?
The fuck you say to me, you little shit?
That's all the Spanish he actually knows. But he gets by. You know, he is a very smart little bird. He's even learning how to spell his own name. He doesn't know the whole thing yet, but he does know a couple of letters. Taylor is spelled T-A-Y-L-O. Yeah, look at that. Very smart little guy. And not only is Taylor very smart, he's also very affectionate.
Get the fuck out of here!
Isn't that nice? That's very good. I know, he is such a sweet little bird. And when you roast him, you give him a kiss.
How are you not in fucking school?
Good kiss there.
You kiss your mother with that mouth?
Family that Taylor used to live with, they probably left the television on a lot as well, because Taylor even picked up some sounds from the TV. And he has a favorite cartoon character, and I'm sure some of you out there might remember Tweety Bird.
Hey, shut up when I'm talking to you! You shut your mouth!
It's a pretty good Tweety Bird there, huh? He thinks Tweety Bird is very funny. Oh my gosh. That is very funny. And that family might have had some other pets as well, like a dog. Wow.